Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about the ServiceNow. If a person really want to learn ServiceNow, how he can start and where he can start, what exactly he need to do in the ServiceNow, so he can become a ServiceNow developer. So today's video is all about the ServiceNow learning, how to start a ServiceNow. Okay, if a person want to become a ServiceNow developer, in he need to do a sort of practice like at least 45 days, so he can become a good developer as a ServiceNow developer. Okay, let me start. Okay, so what are the prerequisites we need to know about if a person is looking for the ServiceNow. So he or she should be aware about the JavaScript basic. Okay, so I'll tell you what exactly the JavaScript basic that has been needed for that person to aware of it. Okay, now the second thing is the personal development instance that is being known as the PDI, and it is being provided by the ServiceNow, and it is free of cost. There is no sort of charges that has been required. And the third thing is, like, person should be very curious to learn the ServiceNow. If a person is curious, so definitely he can learn ServiceNow in very short period of time, and it is very easy. It is not a rocket science, but it is very easy if a person start learning to it. Okay, let me talk to you about the JavaScript basic. So what JavaScript basic that has been required, when a person should be aware of what exactly the data types are. Okay, the data types and data types are like a string, boolean, number. These are known as the basic understanding of the data types. Okay, so how we can define the variables. Now the condition statements are like the switch. Okay, so now if loop, and then the function, then the arrays and the string. Okay, these are the basic understanding of the JavaScript that person should be aware of, because a person is doing a simple like if condition, else condition. So why he is putting the if condition, else condition, he should have a good logic on it. That's the reason we should know a basic understanding of JavaScript. Okay, now if I talk to you about the personal development instance. So personal development instance, like what you need to do, you need to go to the developer.servicenow.com. once you log in on this, once you go on this particular website, so what you need to do, you just need to do a sign up. Okay, once you have did the sign up, so you can request there is one button, you can just click on that particular request button. Okay, so you need to select which version you're looking for. Right now we are in the latest version, that is known as the Vancouver. Okay, so Vancouver is the one of the version. You can put yourself just click your instance. Okay, so once you will get the instance, so your Vancouver version like PDI will be appear on your screen. Okay, then you can start your development. You start your building activity. Also it will be very easy, and it will be pretty simple to start your journey towards the ServiceNow. So what you will get a personal development instance. Okay, so once you get this thing, so it is very important. I just want to know you the learning path. Okay, so learning path is something like, here we have the platform. Once you get the PDI, once you get the personal development instance, so it's a whole platform where you can perform all your activity, where you can perform all your basic understanding. You need to understand the whole platform first, like where you can do a left navigation, what are the left navigation you have, where you can do a global search. If you want to change the theme of the whole instance, how you can do that. So this is all the basic understanding of the platform. Okay, so that is the whole ServiceNow instance, where you can do a different activities, where you can that is your playground, where you can play all those different performance, different things on that particular instance. Okay, so now if I talk to you about the ServiceNow administrator. ServiceNow administrator is one of the most important thing. Like, you should be aware of, like, what do you mean by the UI policy, what do you mean by the data policy. These are the basic understanding, these are the basic concept which has been coming under the administrator part. So administrator is not something about a very huge thing, but it is contain a sort of things like data policy, UI policies, and UI action. These are some of the things you need to understand about the ServiceNow administrator. So in that you can also learn about the what are the roles, what do you mean by the ITIL role, and this all things come under the administrator part. Now if I come to the scripting come in scripting, you're gonna learn about the server side scripting and the client side scripting, what are coming under the scripting side. Now the integration, there are a lot of integrations. Once you are going through all this part, so then you are being pretty comfortable to do any sort of certification. So what sort of certification you can do? You can do a CSS certification. That is very easy to get a basic criteria for the job. Okay, once you do a CSS certification of ServiceNow, so it is very good, like you have a full basic understanding of whole ServiceNow instance. Okay, so you are now eligible to do a quick job, and it is very easy for you to do things very easily. Okay, now if you want to learn something, like I'm just talking to you about the resource, okay, from where you can get some resource. So now learning is one of the platform where you can learn a lot of things from there. Okay, this is the now, if you just search the now learning, so you will get it you will get one website, and you can log in and you can check it out, all those courses over there. Okay, now we have ServiceNow community where you can exchange your thought if you are facing any sort of difficulties. So you can check it out, your queries over in the ServiceNow community. And the third thing, that is the build project, that is where you can check it out some of the projects and all. And the third thing, that is the online platform like YouTube, Udemy, and the LinkedIn, where you can check it out, like the people are putting ServiceNow documentations, everything like videos, so it will be easy for you to grab the knowledge from there. Okay, now I hope you all guys will try this thing, and if you have any sort of doubts, you can put it me in the comments, or thank you.